Happy to be here at UFM, although the subject I'm going to be speaking to you about is unfortunately a depressing one. Something that we as economic thinkers, writers, researchers in our own right have undoubtedly encountered, and that is the legacy of Karl Marx. Why has a totalitarian ideology that everywhere it's attempted has resulted in mass poverty and suffering and death still so celebrated? My purpose today is in part to ask why Karl Marx's reputation is so resilient from the disastrous political track record, but it's also to ask another question. Why is Karl Marx even relevant at all? Why does he have an intellectual reputation at all? The answer I will propose, how did Marx go mainstream, comes from one historical event. The Bolshevik regime of the Soviet Union that violently overthrew a government and then proceeded to slaughter tens of millions of its own citizens through famine, genocide, and internment camps, is what politically gave Marx his mainstream stature today. Not the merits of his ideas, but the conquest at the point of the sword.